Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCGTV, we're taking a closer look at our 15-amp golf cart voltage reducer and a quick crash course in uses for this item to see if it might be a good fit for your project. If you're installing golf cart lights, a radio, or other electronic accessories, most of them run on single-source 12-volt power. So if your golf cart has 12-volt individual batteries, great news! You can move on to searching the rest of Golf Cart Garage for awesome electronics and accessories to draw some more power out of those batteries. Or for the best chargers in the business to put some power back in. For the rest of us that have 6 or 8-volt golf cart batteries installed, you'll need to combine voltage from at least 2 of those batteries in order to sufficiently power electronic accessories. This voltage reducer takes that combined power down to a single source 12-volt power level to protect your new installation and power it appropriately. At this 15-amp level, it's the most economical choice at Golf Cart Garage and is a great solution for powering a relatively low-draw project such as a basic level lighting kit or radio or even a fan for the golf cart. It has heavy-duty construction, comes with a 1-year warranty, and there is even an easy-to-follow installation video on its featured page at Golf Cart Garage. It's a universal item for application to almost any golf cart or for other projects like adding a light bar to an industrial vehicle or an ATV. Maybe you're powering a 12-volt disco ball for the top of the golf cart, or a spotlight to see if we can ever find out just what part of the forest that golf ball wound up in. Neverland? Narnia? Cleveland? The possibilities are endless. Golf Cart Garage also has higher amperage voltage reducers for larger projects, like a street-legal light kit with brake lights and turn signals, but that's another episode for another day. In the meantime, our customer care specialists are here to answer all of your questions or help find just the right solutions for your project. Check out the link to this voltage reducer in the video description below and stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934 to help outfit your golf cart today. Don't forget to subscribe below for lots more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.